Let's be honest, YouTube is overwhelming as hell if you're a makeup newbie, crossdresser, or a trans woman. Don't get me wrong, I do love YouTube, but if I was trying to learn makeup as an absolute beginner, I would hate having to hunt down videos for every little step. One video for beard cover, one video for foundation, a million videos for eyeshadow. Wouldn't it be nice if you had all those videos all in one place by one makeup artist who's been teaching trans and bigender students for 25 years? No conflicting information, all the steps in order from the very, very beginning? Well, now you can. If you're a makeup newbie and you're also a crossdresser or trans woman, or even if you have some experience but you just want to step up your makeup game, then you need to know the best practices to boost your speed and efficiency as well as pick up a ton of new tricks. Wouldn't you rather learn from someone with tons of experience teaching male to female students? I've been teaching makeup to trans women and crossdressers for 25 years, and I developed a complete A to Z makeup course just for male to female students. Everything you could possibly imagine and need is in this course, starting with the very first steps like lighting, setting up your workspace, etc. Just check it out for yourself and you'll see how complete it is. No hype, no pushy sales pitch. Just look for the link in the description, and while you're at it, hit that subscribe button to help me build my channel. I would really appreciate it. You will learn how to do your makeup.